Hi everyone. Have you ever encountered GPU rendering error like this? I got this error using Adobe Substance 3D Stager. I have a decent RTX graphics card, but every time I try to render using GPU, the software gives me an error. I cannot render using my GPU. So, let's solve this problem. If you are getting similar problem in other software, you can try this method. Let's close the software first. In Start, search for Graphics Settings. Go to Custom Options for Apps and browse for Substance 3D Stager. Or any other software with similar problem. Locate the installed path of the software and add it. The software will show up in the list. Now, click on Options and choose High Performance, using your installed graphics card. And save the settings. You can close this and run the software again. Now let's choose Render with GPU. It works now. Now you can render your scene using installed GPU. Thanks for watching. Let me know if this video helped you or not. If there is also other ways to fix the problem, please let me know in the comments section. Let's share and learn together.